Yes, morning. I'm going to talk about tort. Tort is sort of a civil wrong. Tort is a civil wrong that is committed against another. Law of tort. This is meant to protect the rights of the people or your neighbor. That's the tort. That is, it is a civil wrong, and the action is damages or the remedy. A single action is given to rise. That is in tort. The law of tort protects various personal rights, like let's say trespass to person, trespass to property, slander, libel. All these are torts. And the remedies or the punishment is fixed by the law. The law fixes the punishment or remedy. Some tort may give rise to a crime, like assault. So, total liability arises from a breach of duty. A breach of duty. That is, breach of duty means if you go against, you owe somebody duty of care, and if you go against that, that is fixed by law, is against someone's rights. So tort and contract, if you compare, a tort is fixed by law, and a contract is fixed by the parties who are in that contract. That is, if you promise to perform a duty, the two of you in a contract, then the other party, the innocent party, stands to be indemnified or restored to the previous state. Now, a tort is a wrong redressable by action. Is what we call unliquidated damages. You cannot calculate, you cannot quantify. Yeah? Like let's say you defame someone's name or reputation. That is, the judge will just, at his own discretion, determine what remedy to give the innocent person. Now, and the person who is offended is an individual in tort, while in a crime, we're comparing crime and tort. In crime is a state which has to take up. Is an action which involves punishment, and you'll be sued by the state for the crime. The state will take it up. You are answering the state, like stealing, assault, murder, all those, or robbery with violence. That's a crime. It's not a tort. The remedies in tort are few. Remedies mean correction, the corrective measures. Yes, like you pay funds for that person whom you you defamed. But with crime, there are many remedies. You can have quite a number. So parties involved in the parties involved in the suit. That is the person against the state. That will be the criminal. Those are parties. While in tort, we shall have the plaintiff, who is the innocent party, and the defendant, who is the wrongdoer. Yes, that is in tort. While in crime, we have the state and the accused. Accused is the person who committed the crime, and the state is the one now which stands in to correct that person. Now we look at contributor negligence. The types of negligence. Now, negligence is, what's negligence? Is the commission and omission. That is, you fail to do something, or you do something which you are not supposed to do. That is the plaintiff default. Now we can look at contributor negligence. Contributor negligence means that the plaintiff also has a part or takes a blame. For instance, you ask for a lift from a person who has taken alcohol, he's not sober, and on the way you have an accident. It means that you were aware that this person was not sober and you ask for a lift. So it means also you as a plaintiff, you are to blame. So the plaintiff also is to blame for his suffering. So he will be compensated, all right. Not 100%. Maybe 30% will go to him and 70% from the defendant. So that's contributor negligence. The plaintiff participated. The acts of God. Acts of God like that COVID came. Yeah? It interfered with so many contracts. So that's act of God. Nobody expected. Nobody can control. You don't have any control over it. You know, nobody foresaw. You could not tell. It's natural circumstance. Yeah? No human being could foresee or can actually tell, predict. That is act of God. For this, the defendant can succeed. Volent non fit injuria. Volenti non fit injuria. It means that you participated while knowing the risks involved. Like let's say you go and play football. Professional players, they are aware that there's a risk. You can get injured. So, in such a case, the defense available is circumstances whereby the plaintiff was fully aware or full knowledge of the circumstances or whatever risks he undertakes in that particular activity. Boxing, you go to the ring, you know very well that it's risky, but because you are a professional boxer, now you are aware of the risk, so you take the blame also. That's what we call voluntary sort of undertaking for injury, volent non fit injuria. Now, another one is a necessity. Yes, necessity. Say for instance, the neighbor's house caught fire and you had to break in to rescue or to salvage the property in that house. It was necessary. It was necessary to protect either the society or to protect the property of your neighbor. That is necessity. Or it could be statutory authority. That is whereby it is by law, the state, like say for instance, the riots occur and the police try to quell the riot. In the process you are hurt. It is the state who trying to normalize, bring down maintain peace. That is statutory authority. Those are some of the defenses the defendant can put in place, can actually claim when he's trying to reduce or mitigate the severity of the punishment. That's all.